Hi guys, we hit 150 subscribers and this is gonna be a special video. I'm going to draw this tiger with these connector pens. Let's crop out this image. Yeah, the cropping is done, and before that I'll be sketching this tiger in my sketchbook, so it is pretty easy to draw the realistic fur, as you can see there, like that. Without wasting time,
it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
The sketching is almost done.
Take my eyes open to force reality.
Oh no, I just have messed up in the nose. But don't worry, let's fix them.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming.
Really short lines, and for the realistic fur. And always use the reference image for drawing something realism like this. You need to be patient while drawing this realistic. It just took me around 5 hours to complete this much alone.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So guys, please watch till the end. Alright everybody, I have finished so far this much. Let's do some max homework. Come on.
All the choices you made, did you make them again, again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? You made, did you make them again?
All the choices you made, did you make them again?